Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes. Very quickly, when I say live, what I mean is that this situation where I'm recording myself, seeing the data, seeing the information for the very first time, compared to having already recorded everything and then coming back and explain what's already happened. So this is not a trade recap. This is not some sort of post commentary. I'm recording myself, seeing everything, like I said, for the very first time. So if you just want an unscripted, nitty gritty, raw look into what it's like to be a day trader, how day trading can play out, then this will be a video for you. As you saw, I was changing things around because I do want to focus on Tesla options at the start. At least I think I do, because again, this is live, so maybe something pops up and all of a sudden I'm back curious in terms of trading the stock. But as of right now, the plan is going to be Tesla options. So I'll go ahead and pause for now, and I'll be back at the open. All right, I'm going to go ahead and try to pick up some contracts there at 24.50. I got them. Let's see if this thing wants to come down some more. Ideally get down below. There we go. Out for a quick $250 scalp. Love it. I will take 250, and I don't know, what was that, 15 seconds? I don't even think it was 15 seconds. Well, I can give you an answer. Looking right here on the timestamps, 9 seconds. So 9 seconds, $250. I love it. But now I want to play the other side of things. I'm interested if Tesla can get down to the 975 area, maybe even a little bit below. Now, I realize you could be saying, Clay, had you held longer, you'd be up more. And you're right. But again, that's hindsight trading, first off. And that just wasn't the strategy. The strategy was a quick scalp. Because you got to remember, had this thing bounce upwards, you'd be saying, geez, Clay, good job. You played that perfectly because you got out, and now look at it. But of course, with hindsight, we see that didn't happen. So yes, I realize I can look silly for having done what I did. But once again, so right here, okay, there we go. See? No, actually, I got to go back to this put here again. Potentially. Now, granted, it did go further in my favor, but had that, this candle happened right away, I'm assuming you'd be sitting here saying, oh, well, that was a good choice. And it would have been a totally good choice, right? I would have picked the exact proper strategy. Now, I didn't pick the exact proper strategy, but again, it was still a profitable strategy. So yeah, let's see if this one wants to come up a bit more. I will go ahead and pause though for now. Okay, I have an order at $19.50 here. So I'm going to need Tesla, the stock itself, to work up a bit higher. Ideally get up to right around 993. And I'm at $19.50 on the bid of this put, meaning I need the price of Tesla stock to go up. All right, I'll go ahead and pause, but that's the plan for right now. Okay, I'm at 1875 now. So I'm getting close. Just need Tesla to make so close, so close. There we go, in. Oh, it's just on the bid or on the offer, but okay, so now I need to do this. Okay, might be able to pick up some more here. Try to get some at 1725. Or does this thing want to come down now? Got to see it back down below 19 or 994. There we go. Let's see if it can get down through 992. I like my chances here. Whoop, and that fast it's trying to turn back around. Like I said, 992, I like my chances. Great candle here, Foreman. Okay, 992. They're out. Nice. All right. $500. Perfect. 8 minutes. Hindsight, I wanted to grab some. I had an order to buy some, but I wasn't quite aggressive enough with that. So again, hindsight, yeah, I should have been a little bit more aggressive, and I would have had 10 contracts. I mean, I could have enjoyed this move down that much more. But that would, again, hindsight trading, right? It's easy to say what I should have done. And yeah, right now it's easy to say I should have been more aggressive in hindsight. And picked up another 5 contracts, but it is what it is. But still, I don't want to come across like a whiny baby or greedy savage, because I mean, I just made $500 in quite literally 8 minutes. And again, just so you can see the timestamps here, you can see that I was out of that by 9:37 and 52. So 8 minutes, $500, $500 a day keeps the day job away. I am done with my day. Now you may be thinking, Clay, why are you done after 8 minutes? Because this is just a side hustle for me. This is just one stream of income. I do this now at my stage of life as a father of 5 kids, young kids, for the freedom of time. And if I can make $500 in 8 minutes, I'm very happy with that. That now frees up my day where I can go spend time with my kids. I can go work on my real estate investing business. I can work on the teaching business at claytrader.com. It just frees up my time. I realize that some people are in this because they want the Rolex watch and the private jet and the yacht. And cool, go for it. I hope you get those things. All I'd ask is, can I have a ride on the yacht or private jet sometime? Reach out to me, please. I'd love to have a ride. But that's not why I am doing this. So there's no judgments for me. My point is, we're all at different parts of our life. We all have different goals. And my goal right now is the freedom of time. And that's why I do this as a side hustle. And if I can get $500 in 8 minutes, definitely well worth it to me. So that's why I'm wrapping it up. That's why I'm moving on with my day. If you enjoy these live trade videos, 2 big requests from me. First off, hit that like button, leave a simple comment. These are not the easiest videos to make because they are live. So I have to talk to you. I have to think about what I'm going to do. I have to make my own trade plans. I have to manage my own trade plans. I have to make alerts in the chat room. So there's a bunch of stuff going on. So while I don't say that to complain, I just say it to add context of why I really do seek your feedback, so I know whether or not I should continue to do these. And the easiest feedback you can give me is to hit that like button. And like I said, leave a simple comment below. Say hi. Tell me what you traded today. Give me a smiley face. But those 2 things go a long way. And then also, if you're interested in learning about the tools I'm using to trade, the tools I'm using to make the decisions, I do offer a free class, which I'm going to talk about right now. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.